Hi everyone, here we've got the Xiaomi Redmi 9AT and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we have to switch to the video. So simply tap on it, and if you can see this red circle inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So let's enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and as you can see here at the very top of this option bar, we've got the options which are connected to the resolution. Right now we've got 1080p option applied with 30 frames per second, and all we can do actually is to switch to 720p and 30 frames per second also. So in order to change it, just tap on the option, and as you can see right now the 720p option is highlighted, so it means that it has been successfully applied, and from now on your device will record videos in chosen resolution. But I highly recommend to leave this option because this is the best possible one. So actually that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Xiaomi Redmi 9AT. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.